Now, computers are really beautiful things. They usually do some pretty excellent and unimaginable things that human brains usually can't do, but sometimes they just don't work. They just refuse to turn on and they just don't respond when we want them to. And as a result, they just die. And today we are going to look at all those common PC problems you get while using your PC and solutions of them. And these solutions are not just a blurb, they are actually personally experienced by me. So you should watch the full video if you are in the problem. So my name is Shadul Gulkani. Let's just get started. Now the first ones are power issues. These issues actually occur on the PCs which are quite old and they have used for quite a lot of time, and the ones which do not have a proper airflow. Now it's quite rare that your PC will just die if it's got heated or something, but this can happen if you are not using proper airflow or using just one or two fans to cool down your Intel Core i9. So if you are one of them, then you should stop doing this and use a proper airflow or a better case. Moving further into power issues, it should be your living nightmare that your PC is not turning on after hitting the power button, but this can happen with you if you are using a 5-year-old or 8-year-old system, and this problem usually occur with PCs, not laptops. But if you are having this problem with your laptop, then it might be a severe hardware issue, so you might check it quickly. But if you are having this problem with your PC, then there is a solution to it. First of all, you have to unplug all the power in your PC and wait for 5 minutes, then plug it back again. Then if this solved the problem, then it might be a good thing. But if it doesn't solve the problem, then you have to get into your PC. After getting in, you have to wipe out the dust if it is there. Then you have to look for this circle section, which is called a CMOS battery, and you have to take it off. After taking it off, again wait for 5 minutes. And by saying 5 minutes, I really mean it. You should use a timer and wait for 5 minutes. And if this solves the problem, then it might be a good thing. Your PC should start soon. But if it doesn't start, then you have to reset the memory and your PC will start beeping. And I will give you meanings of all the beeps in the description down below. Now, if your PC just takes hours just to boot up, then try disabling all the startup programs by going into the task manager of your PC. Also check on which apps are taking most of your memory as well as the utilization, because that can be a reason why your PC is slow. Then to make your PC even faster, uninstall all the unnecessary programs that you just don't use. Here's a shortcut how to get it. Go into the Windows search and type in appwiz.cpl. You will get there fast, and then just do as I said, and this will definitely increase your PC speed, and you will just find your PC a bit more snappier. Now there are tons and tons of methods just to clear the space on the C drive, and I just don't get into all of that. There are tons of videos just tell you how to clear the space on the C drive, so you should check the links given in the description down below. Also, if the games aren't running on your PC, the softwares like Autodesk Fusion, SolidWorks, Adobe Premiere Pro, all of the different softwares that we use normally on our PC, and even if the games like GTA 5 aren't running on your PC, even if you have graphics card installed on your PC, then all of these problems could be solved using only one method, which is the Windows Update. You should update your PC constantly. It's because Windows Update can solve these issues quite easily rather than just installing random software just like antivirus just to fix these issues. And actually I'm saying this by my personal experience. And I can run games like Hitman 2 which need a dedicated graphics card on my PC, which have only integrated graphics. So you should think about doing a Windows update. Actually, Windows updates are quite important, and Windows updates can actually save you from this. If you are in this problem already and you are constantly getting this screen after constant rebooting, you are actually in problem, because the name of this issue is called as blue screen of death. And there are tons and tons of versions of BSODs. There is a log file error, memory decoding error, hard drive issue, and this usually happen with your PC when a certain driver of your PC fails to communicate through the memory to your CPU. So it is actually quite a serious issue, and you should visit a technician rather than keep doing the coding on your PC by watching YouTube videos. So you should keep your PC updated to prevent this problem, because this problem is actually quite serious. This problem occurred on my brother's laptop, and actually the technician had to wipe out all the hard drive, and he actually lost his pretty important data on that hard drive. So it's actually quite a severe issue. If you are facing this problem, then you should visit a proper technician and solve this issue. Now, so that's it. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you were in the problem and the solutions are told in this video solved your issue, then please let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it. So this is Shadul Gulkani signing off. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.